Previously we have seen how to make green peas dum biryani. The video link is in the description. Here I am going to show how to make chicken pulao at home. It takes only 30 minutes to prepare. Subtitles are available in other languages. Before jump into the video, please subscribe and follow our social media channels for more healthy food videos. Required ingredients: chicken 300 grams, rice 300 grams, green chilies, coriander leaves 1/4 cup, mint leaves 1/4 cup, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, lemon half slice, ginger garlic paste half cup, masala 1 tablespoon, saffron, turmeric powder half cup, cumin powder 1/4 cup, salt 1 tablespoon, ghee 2 tablespoon. Before 30 minutes, soak the rice and keep it aside. Grind green chilies and coriander leaves, keep aside. Melt ghee in a heated pan. Add masala ingredients. Add grind green chilies and coriander leaves paste. Mix well. Add ginger garlic paste. Add turmeric powder. Mix well. Add chicken pieces and mix well. After 6 minutes, add coriander powder, cumin powder, salt and mix well. After 2 minutes, add soaked rice and mix well. Add 600 milliliters water. Add saffron, coriander leaves, mint leaves. Squeeze the lemon. Keep the lid on for 4 cooker whistles. Chicken pulao is ready. In the coming up video, I will show how to make chicken kebab. Thank you for watching and following.